spoon, spoon, spoon. Fork, fork, fork. Knife, knife, knife. Plate, plate, plate. Cup, cup, cup. Bowl, bowl, bowl. Pan, pan, pan. Toaster, toaster, toaster. Kettle, kettle, kettle. Microwave, microwave, microwave. Smartphone, smartphone, smartphone. Laptop, laptop, laptop. Charger, charger, charger. TV remote, TV remote, TV remote. Headphones, headphones, headphones. Smartwatch, smartwatch, smartwatch. Light bulb, light bulb, light bulb. Electric fan, electric fan, electric fan. Head dryer, head dryer, head dryer. Washing machine, washing machine, washing machine. Toothbrush, toothbrush, toothbrush. Toothpaste, toothpaste, toothpaste. Soap, soap, soap. Shampoo, shampoo, shampoo. Towel, towel, towel. Razor, razor, razor. Deodorant, deodorant, deodorant. Hairbrush, hairbrush, hairbrush. Perfume, perfume, perfume. Lip balm, lip balm, lip balm. Vocabulary spelling rules for plurals. For most nouns, to make the plural, we add s. Pen, pens. Towel, towels. Soap, soaps. Razor, razors. Hair dryer, hair dryers. For nouns ending in x, ch, and sh, we add es. Hairbrush, hairbrushes. Box, boxes. Toothbrush, toothbrushes. Smartwatch, smartwatches. For nouns ending in a consonant followed by y, remove the y and add ies. Dictionary, dictionaries. Baby, babies. City, cities. Lady, ladies. Write correct spelling for plurals. Practice. Fork, plate, lip balm, berry. Answers: fork, forks, plate, plates, lip balm, lip balms, berry, berries. Doctor, doctor, doctor. Nurse, nurse, nurse. Pharmacist, pharmacist, pharmacist. Dentist, dentist, dentist. Surgeon, surgeon, surgeon. Teacher, teacher, teacher. Librarian, librarian, librarian. Accountant, accountant, accountant. Banker, banker, banker. Salesperson, salesperson, salesperson. Electrician, electrician, electrician. Plumber, plumber, plumber. Mechanic, mechanic, mechanic. Police officer, police officer, police officer. Lawyer, lawyer, lawyer. Firefighter, firefighter, firefighter. Plurals about jobs and people. Most nouns about the people and jobs are made plural in the usual way by adding s or es. Lawyer, lawyers. Plumber, plumbers. Dentist, dentists. Waitress, waitresses. Actress, actresses. Plurals ending in man. Nouns that ending in man change the end to man with e. Man, man. Woman, women. Postman, postman. Salesman, salesman. Fireman, fireman. For nouns made of two words, the second word is plural. Teacher assistant, teacher assistants. Lab technician, lab technicians. Tour guide, tour guides. Mail carrier, mail carriers. Office manager, office managers. Comment below which everyday item you use the most. Thank you for watching.